Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. However, before I go fully into this, okay, let's check this out. Okay, if you actually watch my training video in the morning, you will notice that I highlighted this area after setting up this trading tool, and of course I said at this point this particular asset should be selling. Okay, and of course if you are taking action, check out the results. Check it out. Okay, that is why I've always been telling you, okay, whatever video I'm dishing out on this platform, whatever trading tool, trading setups I'm dishing out on this platform, kindly take them serious. Okay, take those information serious so that you can milk the market successfully whenever you are trading. Check out the direction of the market. This is 5 minute time frame, and this has given a lot of profit. Okay, so that is how amazing this trading tool is. Okay, so guys, it's not about this. If you missed if you missed the video I posted in the morning, go back to the channel and watch my video right away. This is it right here. I tagged it amazing MA setup for trading boom and crash. Okay, so you can check it out and watch it, learn how to use it so that you can start using it right from there. That is, if you are not having the custom made indicator, okay, you can use that and make some money for yourself. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to this platform. If you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and of course it also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we will be using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do our analysis tonight. It is a custom made indicator. It is one of the custom made indicators that you should have, if you want to be making profits on daily basis. Okay, so we will be using 5 minute time frame, and this is boom 1000. Okay, this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it sold till it got to this region, had a major pullback but went back down again, and of course at the moment it is still selling. As you can see, it is still selling even though it is around the support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend, but for now it is still selling, so you should have that also at the back of your mind. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there. Even though the movement is not that smooth, but it's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, it's also had another pullback from here again because it has not been able to break out from this support zone. You can see it got there around there, pullback, almost got there, pullback, got there, pullback, go there again, pull back. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then definitely it will try out the support zone again to see if it's going to break out from here. So I believe this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone, that is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, so this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and of course when it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course right from here, from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. That is why you are seeing this red flag, and of course it has been selling and selling and selling, guys, and it is still selling, guys. Okay, it broke out from this support zone, and of course it has gotten to a new support zone. If it break out from here, it will keep on selling, but if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into an uptrend. Okay, Now let's check out volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been more of a downtrend also than an uptrend. Okay, so it has got into this region. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, we are most likely to experience an uptrend right from there. This is still on downtrend selling. Okay, and of course it might not be for a very long time also. Okay, because it is at a major support zone already. Okay, so guys, you should take note of all this. And of course, if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.